Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I just have to tell you, the other day I did a short about what to do, how to de-stress. And the biggest thing is just breathe. Just breathe. When you feel angry, when you feel stressed, just breathe. Not, just deep breaths. Because most of us don't take big, deep breaths. We breathe like shallow. And when you are in panic, when you're in anger, when you're in whatever, you're taking shallow breaths, which sends your, depending on how shallow, sends your body into fight or flight, not calm and peace. Because when you're breathing deep, it sends the message to your brain to relax. You're safe. Because think about it. If you're getting ready to be eaten by a tiger, you're not going to be taking deep breaths. You might be hyperventilating, but you're going to be breathing rapidly or holding your breath. But when you breathe deep, it sends a message of peace and calm to your entire existence, and it will calm you down. And anyway, so I did this short, and I turned around and took like 3 steps, and something caught my eye, and it was a fox going into the hay bales right behind me, or now in front of me. And then I saw a second one. And then I saw the baby. And the baby just kind of like was between bales, and it stopped. And it just stood there and looked at me like, "Hi, what are you?" And I was just like, and this is probably the same fox that took away 5 of my baby chickens, a few weeks ago. I have not gotten it yet, but yeah. So I just had to laugh, because it's like, okay, I'm talking about just breathe, just relax. And then I turn around and I've got 3 foxes within 25 yards. I mean, they were like right there. It was crazy. So anyway, but again, am I going to get wigged out about it? No. I came back up to the house and I told my husband, and because he had a dream, I don't know, a night or 2 ago, that I went down there and I saw 2 foxes. He said, I didn't see 3, but I saw 2. And then by the time you got back down there, they were gone. So, yeah, so I came back up here, went back down, they were gone. I haven't seen them since. They're there. I know they're there, because they're living in the field behind me somewhere. Anyway, but again, just, it doesn't matter what you're doing. It doesn't matter what is stressing you out. It doesn't matter what's going on in the world. You control your world. That's all you can control. So breathe. Just take a minute. Just right now. Just stop whatever you do. If you're driving, come back to this later. But just close your eyes. And it doesn't matter if your brain is chattering 50 miles an hour. It doesn't matter what's going on in your world. Choose you. In this moment, in this now moment, choose you. And just close your eyes And take a deep breath in. Deep breath. And then let it go slowly. And as you let it go, just feel yourself relax. Take another deep breath. And then let it go. And feel yourself relax even more. Take a third deep breath. And when you think you've got all the air that you can take in even more. Fill your stomach with air. Fill your entire existence with air. And then let it go. Don't you feel better? Don't you feel more peaceful? Do that throughout the day. What's amazing is when you can go outside and put your feet on the ground and just breathe. But when they say you do exercises or whatever, and you take your arms and you lift them over your head and you inhale really deep and then you exhale, bring them down. Do that. You will be amazed how much better you feel. Air, breath is what keeps you alive. It is life itself. So I hope this helps you. I hope you have an amazing, calming, peaceful day. I send you so much love. I'm here to guide you. I can't do this for you. This is part of living in heaven on earth every day, is being able to choose you in this now moment over everything that's going on. I don't care if you've got somebody yelling in your ear. Choose you. They can wait. You calm yourself. You come back to center. It doesn't matter what's going on. Always choose you first. So I send you love. I send you gratitude. Like this video. Come back to it anytime you need to just chill, just relax. Subscribe to my channel, and we will talk soon.